Hey, good looking, you want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you just how easy it is to do baby back ribs and also to make a BLT pasta salad. And we're going to be doing it all on top of our Blackstone Griddle. So go ahead, grab a hold of that vine, swing on in my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen today because we're going to be cooking up BLT macaroni salad. And right now I'm going to be preparing the dressing part. So you're going to be needing a half a cup of mayonnaise. So I'm going to go ahead and add half of a cup. Two tablespoons of lemon juice. One teaspoon sugar. Three tablespoons of chili paste. Now, let's go ahead and mix that all up. Alright, that's the dressing part of our BLT macaroni salad. Now, you're going to want to get yourself some bow tie noodles. I have some water that's going on the Blackstone Griddle. I also have some bacon that I have going on the Blackstone Griddle as well. I have two chopped up tomatoes. As you see right here. And then in this nice little long container, we have some cubed up cheese and some diced up onion. I removed most of the bacon, but I left some in because it wasn't quite crispy enough yet for me. So I'm just going to let that cook a little bit longer. Now back here, I have the kettle of hot water, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the little bow tie pasta noodles. Here's the bacon that I took out, and I'm going to let that cool. And as you see, I have it draining off on some paper towelling to collect the hot grease. And we're going to allow that to cool down enough for me to handle. And now I'm going to sit there and take my bow tie pasta, and we're going to sit there and take it over to the kettle. Alright, let's go ahead and add the bow tie pasta. And I'm going to go get a spoon, and we're going to stir it. Now we're just going to cook the pasta up until al dente. Let's go ahead and get our ribs on. As you see, I have them all coated on the one side, and that's the side we're going to put down first. And then I'm going to come and I'm going to sit there while they're all searing up on the underside, we're gonna put all the Jack Daniels barbecue sauce on the top side. Alright, there are baby back ribs that I sat there and I slathered on some of the Jack Daniels barbecue sauce. Now I'm going to sit there and flip them all over and let this side brown up and seal. And as you see, I seared them on the other side and I flipped them. And now we're just going to sit there and let the top side get a nice caramelization going. I'm going to finish our pasta salad, and it's time to eat. The ribs seem to be doing excellent, so let's get back over to that BLT pasta salad. Alright, I'm just going to sit there and add the diced up tomatoes. And then we're going to sit there and add the diced up bacon. And then let's go ahead and add the diced up onion. Now let's just go ahead, set that off to the side, and we're going to stir this all up and get everything all mixed up. Okay, I have everything somewhat semi-mixed. Let's go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients that are inside of our bin. And now I'm going to sit there and take that wonderful dressing we made, and I'm going to sit there and add that all to the salad, and we're going to mix that all in, and it's ready to eat. Now let's mix that all in. Now, you can either mix in some shredded up lettuce, or I just like sitting there putting some shredded lettuce in a nice little salad bowl and going into the pasta salad and putting the pasta salad right on top of your lettuce, and enjoy a BLT salad. Okay, I think the caramelization is going to be really good, so I'm going to flip it over. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to remove all these to my platter, and I'm going to let my family enjoy eating up some of these. So I'll see you when I'm all done removing these from the Blackstone Griddle. Here's the BLT salad that we just made, along with our baby back ribs. And our baby back ribs we done on the Blackstone Griddle. I cooked up the noodles and I fried up the bacon, and we also did that on the Blackstone Griddle. So now let's go ahead and give a big old YouTube fight. There's one good salad. And of course, we gotta sit there and give a taste to the ribs. Look at that. Oh my God. Melt in your mouth. Well, Pleasure Lady here has some goodies right here, and you know what? It's time to eat. As Ma Kettle would sit there and always say, "Come and get it."
Now, if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell, that way you always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And most of all, I want to sit there and thank each and every one of you for taking the time out for watching my video. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now. Be here